Hi and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you a new feature of MainOS, which is the emergency tools, and yeah, well, let's have a look at them. Basically you get this beautiful bar once the system can't properly load. And the bar is just an indicator for the user basically to let them know that something is happening. Yeah, and in theory the system could still catch up, which is why we have a bar at first. Yeah, and so that's basically the emergency tools, and we can do stuff here like try to reload, which won't work. Yeah, we can view the dump of our data. We can try to open the runbox, which obviously doesn't work. Also we have an emergency program frame, which might help. In my case we destroyed the system variable, so settings won't load, but the file explorer can load. Unfortunately you can't do too much with it, since we have to open the text editor, which doesn't work in this state, but we can at least view some stuff, I guess. Yeah, we have the notepad, which as of now can't load files, but you can at least in theory save files, and also we have the terminal for stuff. Yeah, so you can upgrade through downgrade, which basically will just start an update in theory, or it would have started, but it won't anymore. You can reset the system variable, or you can reset the entire system by using the system function, or by just clearing everything. Yeah, and yeah, let's just reset the system variable, reload 2 times, and there we are, back and running, and we can do whatever we want, like, I don't know, anything, like press the board button, for example. Yeah, perfect. Flappy 2048, yeah, let's play some of that. Yeah, it's, yeah. Thankfully, thanks to the emergency tools, we were able to just reset our system and now play Flappy 2048. Yeah, thanks, emergency tools.